Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do a quick little video on how to get rid of the maintenance or reset the maintenance required light on your dashboard. Now I just did it, so you're not really going to see it in real time, but I do want to show you that it is different, at least for my Tacoma, the 2013 base model, than it is for other second gen Tacomas. So let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, when you turn on your vehicle, all your lights flash. I just want you to see which one I'm talking about. Okay, so you see the one right there, the maintenance required. It's next to the traction and the airbag. Now, with other Tacomas, when you have it on, you have your odometer, the regular setting, right? It tells you your miles. Most of the time, what you would do is that you would turn off your vehicle, press the odometer trip button, then put the key into on, which is where it's at right now, and then after that it would flash and it'd reset it, right? I think that's different here, that you would have to do in a vehicle like mine, 2013, or I guess some other base models, that if that doesn't work, you actually have to have it on trip A, right? So when you go through the odometer trip, you go ahead, you press this button, right? You have odometer, you have trip A, trip B, and your regular odometer. Well, on this vehicle, you have to have it on trip A, then do the steps to take off the maintenance required. Now I have it on trip A. What you would actually do if I had that maintenance required light on is that I will turn it off. I will then hold the odometer trip button, and while I'm holding it, I'm holding the camera right now, so I'm not gonna be able to do it. So if I hold it right now, you're gonna see it pop up. So while I'm holding this, I would go ahead and put the ignition to on. And I'm still holding it at that time. And once I do that, what's gonna happen is that the odometer is going to have a bunch of dashes through it. It's gonna have a bunch of dashes. And then once that happens, you're gonna see the maintenance required light flash, and then it's going to turn off. And once it turns off, you take your finger off. So I just wanted to make a quick little video on that for other people who do have base second gen Tacomas, that might be the issue why you can't reset your maintenance required. Maybe you're just doing it the regular way where it shows the odometer rather than having it on trip A. Other than that, if you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, or give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate everybody who's already subscribed. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And until next time, have a good one.